True peace, Kens. NYPD cop sprints through Times Square with a 40-year-old shooting victim. Peep the slang. A 4-year-old girl was shot in the leg in Times Square, barely cried on the way to the hospital, the police officer who carried the child to safety said. This little girl was so strong, Officer Alyssa Vogel told the New York Post. She didn't even cry once except when we were putting the tourniquet on. She screamed because it's very painful. The 4-year-old Brooklyn girl was one of the 3 people hit by a stray bullet when someone opened fire during a dispute in Times Square about 5 p.m. Saturday when Wendy Margaret, 23, from Rhode Island, was shot in the leg, and a 43-year-old from New Jersey was shot in the foot. All are expected to recover. Police released a video of a person interested in the shooting, but no arrest has been made as of Monday. New York Police Department official posted a video of Vogel sprinting toward an ambulance with the wounded girl. As a mom, I think my motherly instincts just went too, I needed to help her, the officer told ABC News on Monday. Peep the slang, yo. The girl there, she just take off. Peep the slang.